Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader and explorer. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like GBP USD, Euro USD, GBP JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of gold USD in front of us right now, and as you can see that right now gold is trading at 1822 level, and I have got few levels marked on the chart. So let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of gold USD right now. Let's try to understand what is the scene on gold USD and what should be our strategy. So let's get started. So first of all, if you look at the trend of the market, then we can see that the trend is still towards the upside. There is no doubt about the trend. You can see that gold USD is constantly making higher highs, and this gives us the confirmation that the market is an uptrend. And as we all know, the basic rule, the thumb rule of the market says follow the trend. Follow the trend means if a market is an uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is a downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. So as gold is an uptrend, therefore we should mainly look for buying opportunities. So the next important point is area of value. If you have watched my other videos, then you know it very well that I emphasize on area of value all the time. Area of value is nothing but the best trading opportunity or the best trading spot. In an uptrend market, when a market is an uptrend, the best buying spot or the trading spot is always near the support. And if a market is in downtrend or in a downtrend market, the best trading opportunity or the best selling opportunity is always near the resistance. But gold USD is an uptrend right now, therefore we should mainly look for buying opportunities at the support. So you can see that I have got three lines drawn here on the chart. So first of all, I would like to discuss about this trend line. As the market is an uptrend, market is following a particular pattern here. You can see that whenever market is going up and down, it is taking support at this particular level. Therefore, this trend line has proved itself to be a valid support, and right now you can see that market is just trading near the support or this trend line. But this doesn't give us the confirmation that we should go for buying, because there are certain things that you must also understand. See, right now gold is trading near the support, and you can see that we also have a resistance just above the line, and the resistance is at 1830 level or 1832 level. Whenever market was in uptrend on Friday, you can see that market failed to cross the level, and this level 1832 level has been acting as a resistance for the market for quite some time. So 1832 is a valid resistance for the market, and even if you go for a buy here at the support, you will be facing resistance just after some time or after a couple of minutes, because you can see that this is a very narrow space here. Because if you buy here, immediately you will facing the resistance. And one more thing that we need to focus is the chart of DXY. As we all know, US dollar has a correlation with the gold. Whenever dollar goes up, gold goes down, and when dollar goes down, gold goes up. Right now you can see that dollar USD DXY is going down. Okay, it is going down, but you can see that it also has a support. Try to understand my words here. The things may seem little bit complicated. Okay, please watch the video carefully. Okay, so you have understood that it has a correlation with the goal. Okay, so it is in downtrend. Okay, it is in downtrend, and this was the reason gold was going up. USD was going down, gold was going up. But right now you can see that US dollar has found a temporary support. Not temporary, it has found a support here, and this is the support for the US dollar here. So if market starts taking support and bounces, you can see that previously also when market reached this particular support zone, market immediately bounced or market tried to recover. So there is also a possibility that market will try to recover again. So if market tries to recover or if market goes up from here, then definitely gold will be going down. I'm not saying that there will be a trend reversal, but if market takes a serious support, then definitely there will be some buying on US dollar and selling on gold. Okay, so this is a critical position for the US dollar, because when US dollar was falling, US dollar was going down, it was pretty clear to us that we should mainly look for buying opportunities on the chart of gold. But right now dollar has reached the support. Therefore, there is also a possibility that gold may see some selling. So what should be a strategy then? The strategy is, as you can see, that I have got a trend line as the support, and I have also got this 1808 level as the support here. This level is important because 1808 level belongs to the weekly chart. It belongs to the weekly chart. So in case there is a buying or some buying on the chart of US dollar, then gold will not be able to respect this trend line. Okay, gold will not be able to respect this trend line, and gold will come down and come down to the next support of 1808 level. So what I'm saying is that, okay, your strategy is buy at support. Okay, so your first trading opportunity is obviously at the trend line. If market reverses from the trend line, you can go for buy, but your target will be very small. You need to exit by 1832 level. Therefore, in case there is a selling on the chart of gold, and in case market breaks this trend line, then you may get a good buying opportunity at 1808 level, because this is a strong support from the weekly chart. Strong support from the weekly chart. So go for buy at 1808 level if market bounces. And on the other hand, if market crosses this level, listen to me carefully, if market crosses 1832 level, then also you can go for buy, but you need to wait for a couple of hours, at least for 4 to 6 hours. Wait for 4 to 6 hours and just see how the price is reacting, how the price is doing. If you see that price is trading comfortably after 4 to 6 hours, then you'll get the confirmation the resistance has become the new support. The resistance has become the new support, and you can go for buy. So as the market is in uptrend, therefore I am not giving you any short order or selling order, because it will be going against the trend. So first trading opportunity is if market reverses from the bounces from the trend line, goes up from trend line, you can go for buy, but your target will be very small because market has a resistance at 1832 level. So in case market comes down, breaks the trend line, you will get a buying opportunity at 1808 level. So if market bounces from 1808 level, go for a buy. And if market breaks the 1832 level, 30 level, you can go for buy after 4 to 6 hours, when the resistance will become the new support. Okay, so this is it. And my dear friends, recently I have launched a Pro Trader membership program where you can be a part of my analysis, where I'll be sharing the best trading opportunities on the market with you. If you are interested, then please visit the Pro Trader page on the website. On my website abhilashhazarika.com, you'll find all the information. And my dear friends, if you are interested in learning, okay, from me, then please visit the workshop page and you can learn from me if you are interested. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. See ya tomorrow.